If you want to join clips in CapCut quickly and cleanly, this video is going to walk you through the exact process step by step. Whether you're editing a short video, a vlog, or a longer YouTube project, combining clips properly helps keep your timeline organized and makes editing much easier. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and simple editing guides. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your clips are already imported into the media panel. Now drag and drop the video segments onto the timeline. The key thing here is to place them back to back with no gaps in between. If there's any space between the clips, they won't feel like one continuous video, so zoom in if needed and make sure each clip is lined up properly. Once your clips are arranged in order, the next step is to select the clips you want to join. You can do this in two different ways. The first way is to click and drag your cursor over the clips on the timeline to highlight them all at once. This is useful when the clips are close together and easy to select. The second way is to hold down the Ctrl key and click each target video one by one. This is helpful if you only want to select specific clips and leave the others out. After the clips are highlighted, right-click on any of the selected clips. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Create Compound Clip. This is the command that joins the selected clips together into one unified clip. Click it, and CapCut will combine everything into a single compound clip on your timeline. This is really useful because it makes your project cleaner and easier to manage. Instead of dealing with multiple separate clips, you now have one group section that you can move, trim, or edit as a single unit. That means less confusion, better organization, and a smoother editing workflow. If you want to keep editing after joining the clips, you still can. You can double check the compound clip, make adjustments, and continue building your video from there. Just remember that if you need to edit the individual clips inside the compound clip later, you may need to open it again depending on your version of CapCut. So let's quickly recap. Arrange your clips on the timeline with no gaps, select the clips you want to join, then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. That's it, your clips are now joined in CapCut. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and comment below if you want more CapCut tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.